Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into some fascinating news surrounding DJI's latest developments in the action camera space. When you thought you had the best in your hands, here comes another potential upgrade. DJI is making waves again, and it seems they're wasting no time in shaking up the market. Let's explore everything we know about the DJI Osmo Action 6, its features, and whether it might arrive too soon for some users. A quick turnaround from Osmo Action 5 Pro to Action 6. It feels like it was just yesterday when DJI launched the Osmo Action 5 Pro, which brought impressive upgrades to its predecessor. Now, only 3 months after its release, rumors of the Osmo Action 6 are already swirling. This information comes courtesy of an FCC filing that hints at a new device with the model number AC006. Speculation is rife that this might indeed be the Osmo Action 6. For those who invested in the Action 5 Pro, this news might come as a shock or even a disappointment, given the close release window. The FCC filing and SGS document leak. The FCC filing, submitted earlier this month, indicates that DJI is already gearing up for the next iteration of its action camera series. While FCC filings often reveal early details about upcoming tech, they're not the only source feeding the rumor mill. Documents from SGS have also surfaced, adding fuel to the speculation fire. These documents confirm some interesting features of the Osmo Action 6, including Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi capabilities at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. This combination promises faster, more reliable connectivity, and essential for action cam enthusiasts who frequently transfer footage or control their cameras remotely. Battery options. What's new? One of the standout revelations is the inclusion of 2 battery options, a 1770 mAh version and a 1950 mAh version. These capacities align closely with those of previous DJI Osmo Action models. However, could this hint at the possibility of a Pro and non-Pro variant for the Osmo Action 6? DJI has a history of releasing multiple versions of their products, and offering varied battery options might cater to different user needs, whether they prioritize extended recording time or a lighter, more portable camera. The sensor upgrade. Will we see a 1-inch sensor? A significant question on everyone's mind is whether DJI will finally include a 1-inch sensor in the Osmo Action 6. This would represent a massive leap forward for low-light performance and overall image quality, making it a game-changer in the action camera market. Larger sensors are highly sought after by videographers and adventure enthusiasts who often shoot in challenging lighting conditions. If DJI delivers on this front, it could make the Osmo Action 6 a must-have for professionals and hobbyists alike. Timing and release speculations. DJI typically launches its action cameras between August and October, but this time, the timeline appears to be shifting. Rumors suggest that the Osmo Action 6 could be hitting the market as early as the beginning of next year. This tight release schedule between the Osmo Action 5 Pro and the potential Action 6 raises questions about DJI's strategy. Are they responding to increased competition in the action camera space? Or do they have groundbreaking features in store that justify such a quick follow-up? Pricing. A concern for recent buyers. The Osmo Action 5 Pro hit shelves at $349, positioning itself as a premium yet accessible option in the market. However, for those who recently purchased this model, the news of an impending successor might feel like a punch to the gut. Early adopters often face the dilemma of whether to upgrade or stick with their current devices, and the rapid release cycle could make some consumers hesitant to invest in DJI products in the future. Features wishlist. What we hope to see. Beyond the potential inclusion of a 1-inch sensor, fans are eagerly anticipating other upgrades in the Osmo Action 6. Improved stabilization, higher resolution capabilities, and enhanced waterproofing are just a few features on the community's wishlist. Additionally, better integration with DJI's ecosystem, such as seamless connectivity with drones and gimbals, could make the Osmo Action 6 a powerhouse for content creators. Is it too soon for a new model? DJI's imminent release of the Osmo Action 6 sparks debate about the company's rapid innovation cycle. While frequent updates signal DJI's commitment to technological advancement and competitive edge, They also raise concerns about product lifecycle and customer satisfaction, balancing innovation and consumer expectations. The delicate balance between innovation and consumer expectations is a key challenge for tech companies. DJI's aggressive release strategy, while exciting for early adopters, could potentially alienate loyal customers who may feel their recent purchases are already outdated. The question remains, will the Osmo Action 6 offer significant advancements to justify its rapid release? Competitive landscape and market dynamics. The action camera market is fiercely competitive, with players like GoPro and Insta360 constantly pushing the boundaries of technology. To maintain its market leadership, DJI must not only keep pace with its rivals, but also consistently deliver groundbreaking innovations. The rumored features of the Osmo Action 6 suggest DJI's intent to set a new industry standard. However, the rapid release cadence could also be interpreted as a reactive response to competitive pressures rather than a proactive strategy. Impact on consumers and future implications. The Osmo Action SIXS release has significant implications for consumers. Early adopters may be excited about the latest features and technology, while recent purchasers of the Osmo Action 5 Pro may feel disappointed by the short product lifecycle. As we await official confirmation and further details, consumers must weigh the benefits of the new model against the potential drawbacks of rapid obsolescence. Conclusion. DJI's rapid innovation cycle presents a complex scenario for both the company and its customers. While it fosters excitement and drives technological advancements, it also raises concerns about product longevity and consumer satisfaction. As the tech industry continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, companies must carefully balance innovation with consumer expectations to ensure long-term success.